Why did you choose to join council?
One of the main reasons I joined council was to meet new people. Council has given me various opportunities to work with people from different backgrounds, which has allowed me to form meaningful connections with them, for which I'm really grateful for.
I joined council because I wanted to develop myself by learning new skills. For example, I wanted to learn how to speak more confidently, and council has indeed helped me with that.
I joined council as I wanted to learn and grow with new and different people in the process of achieving the same common goal, which is to serve the student population.
What were you like in secondary school?
In secondary school, I was someone who was interested in leadership positions. I joined the House Exco, where we mainly had to organize house meetings and house events.
I would say my personality in secondary school was quite extroverted.
When I was in secondary school, I was very introverted.
I enjoy talking to people and getting to know more people.
I did not interact much with others.
How has being a counselor changed you?
I joined HEAD in council, which does similar things. Despite that, council has given me more opportunities to speak up more and has developed me into a more confident person.
There's a lot of communication required in council, and being more extroverted helped me in doing so because I'm able to communicate with other people, other stakeholders, and even councillors easily.
After joining council, I learned the importance of communication. I learned to give my honest opinions about particular ideas and also to stand up for myself.
So why should you join council? Join council because it is life-changing,
worthwhile,
empowering,
Impactful,
fun,
heartening,
gratifying,
rewarding,
motivating,
awesome,
thrilling,
welcoming,
adventurous,
nurturing,
An unforgettable experience.
So, what are you waiting for?
Become a part of our family. Join council. Yay!